Welcome to my channel, and today I have a special guest.
Hi guys, I'm Sheila.
Her name will pop up anywhere in the screen and also in the description below. So today we'll be playing a common game, very common game called 7 seconds challenge. And the rules are simple. She'll have to do a task in only 7 seconds, and I'll also do the same. So she'll start. In 7 seconds, you have to jump a rope. 20 jumps in a rope.
Seconds.
Seems impossible. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my!
Right guys, at least
I tried
13.
so much.
13 jumps. So in your next challenge, I want you to fold 3 t-shirts in 7 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Done. Okay,
Guys, she didn't even turn the t-shirts inside out, so clearly.
but I folded it. That's what matters. In 7 seconds, you have to name 5 high school teachers.
Oh my God.
7,
Mr. Mwangi,
6,
Mr. Moirore,
5,
Mr.
4,
Mr.
3,
Mr.
2.
Mr. Kinyanjui, oh my God, I forgot all my high school teachers. Oh my God. Even my favorite math teacher. I'm sorry, Mr. Okay, that one was a fail.
Okay, your turn.
Okay, in 7 seconds, I want you to put on a trouser. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No. She almost made it, guys.
It's a workout.
She almost made it. She tried.
Yeah. So your turn. You have to name 7 of your favorite meals in 7 seconds. 7.
Pizza,
6,
bolognese,
5,
lasagna, ugali
4,
killed, nyama choma,
2,
cabbage. I tried. At least
how many did you name?
6.
Wow.
I did 6.
Okay, so
So that was a good.